Hello kids, welcome Shazia Kids Drawing. Today we will learn how to draw rainbow fish drawing and learn some colors name. First I draw the fish body. This is a orange color. Which color kids? This is a orange color. This is a green color. Which color kids? This is a green color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Pink color. Red color. Parrot green color. Dark blue color, brown color, Drawing is complete kids. If you like my video then like, subscribe and share. See you next video.